Island, renowned for its stunning natural beauty and iconic landmarks, presents an unparalleled experience when viewed from above. The aerial perspective, facilitated by the advanced DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone, offers an exciting opportunity to appreciate the island's diverse landscapes. The cliffs, which dominate the coastline, rise dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, creating a striking juxtaposition between the azure waters and rugged rock formations. The sheer magnitude of these cliffs, some reaching heights of over 500 meters, captivates visitors, and the aerial shots enhance this grandeur remarkably. As the drone soars above the island, another landmark comes into focus, Pico Ruivo. Standing as Madeira's highest peak, this majestic mountain is surrounded by dense forests and scenic trails that wind through its lush greenery. From a bird's-eye view, one can observe the intricate patterns of the trails carved through the forest, offering a glimpse into the island's hiking culture and natural beauty that attracts outdoor enthusiasts year-round. Additionally, the charming traditional villages dotting the island add a touch of cultural heritage to the vibrant landscape. Villages such as Santana, famous for its colorful thatched houses, appear as whimsical spots nestled among verdant hills. Aerial views of these villages reveal not just the architectural beauty but also provide context to their surroundings, as they harmoniously blend with the natural environment. This ability to appreciate both the built environment and the stunning backdrops from a top-down perspective enriches the viewer's understanding of Madeira's geographical and cultural identity. The aerial journey across Madeira Island reinforces a unique sense of wanderlust, drawing travelers to consider this remarkable destination. Its dramatic cliffs, lush forests, and picturesque villages tell a story of natural wonder and human connection, best experienced from the heights that the DJI Mavic 3 Pro generously offers. By capturing these iconic landmarks from above, the drone unveils Madeira's beauty in a way that can only be truly appreciated from the air. Madeira Island, often referred to as the Pearl of the Atlantic, is an archipelago located in the North Atlantic Ocean, situated approximately 1,000 kilometers west of the mainland of Portugal. This stunning island, characterized by its volcanic origins, boasts a unique topography that features dramatic cliffs, lush valleys, and a rugged coastline. The capital city of Funchal, known for its charming streets and vibrant gardens, serves as a gateway to the island's natural beauty and cultural heritage. The climate of Madeira is predominantly Mediterranean, offering mild temperatures throughout the year, which contributes to its status as a year-round destination for tourists and nature enthusiasts. The island experiences a subtropical character, with abundant rainfall predominantly occurring in the winter months, allowing for the flourishing of diverse flora. This has resulted in Madeira being recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its rich biodiversity and the presence of numerous endemic species. In addition to its ecological significance, Madeira Island holds a deep cultural importance. The history of Madeira is marked by Portuguese exploration and colonization, which has shaped its architecture, cuisine, and traditions. The island's culture is a tapestry woven with influences from early settlers and ongoing connections to the mainland, resulting in a unique blend of heritage that attracts visitors seeking both adventure and tranquility. With its breathtaking landscapes and significant cultural context, Madeira Island is an ideal location for exploration and immersive experiences in nature. The combination of its geological formations, vibrant biodiversity, and rich history make it an attractive destination for avid travelers and videographers alike. The majestic aerial views captured in 4K by the DJI Mavic 3 Pro offer a compelling visual narrative, showcasing the island's unparalleled beauty from a unique perspective.